it's Lila, and today I'm going to do a full face of Shein makeup. Why? I don't know, because I just wanted to buy it all and see what I got. So let's start with the She Glam birthday I guess pigment perfector. Ugh. This is what it looks like. I don't know if I don't know about. Well, we're just gonna, you know what? We decided this is what we're doing, so we're just gonna do it. Did I put on too much? I don't know. Is this working out so far? Probably not. Well, I will say one thing that kind of made my skin a little bit lighter, and it does feel good on the skin. I have to admit, it looked a little weird, but it doesn't feel bad at all. So for foundation, I thought this was kind of cool. They sell samples of all different kinds. I got the balm, I got a dewy one, and I got a matte. And so I'm super sweaty because it's hot finally in Washington and I don't have air conditioning. So I think I'm gonna go with the matte. And I did get samples of 3 different colors, so let me figure it out and I'll be right back. Did I put too much on my face? Why, yes, I did. So probably that sample would have lasted me maybe 3 different applications, but apparently I'm just going with one today. For bronzer or contour, I got this She Glam Stereo Fix 6 French Girl. Whoops, looks like that. I think I'm gonna try, I think I'm gonna go in with this really dark color and try to chisel well, it might be a little too dark, chisel myself out. I might have to go with the one that's not as dark. Wow, that primer or the foundation or something, definitely holding on strong. It does not glide as easy. All right, we will try to blend this sucker out. It is it's really sticking in there. I got this She Glam brow pencil on one side, and then on the other side it has the little spoolie. And all right, let's try to do our eyebrows. I'm not great at doing my eyebrows on screen, so I hope you can see. I got the medium brown, but it is pretty dark. So it's not a fine pencil, it's that, there we go. I don't know if it's, oopsie, this matte makeup or the primer underneath, but everything's sticking really solid to this makeup right now. I got a concealer in whipped cream. Now that it's come, I think it's a little light, but we are going, oh, it's really light. I kind of screwed that one up, but we're gonna just try it anyways. I just probably won't put as much on. Holy hell, what? Might be in trouble here. or it might be the best thing in the world. Man, I don't know if I've ever used matte makeup before, or if it's this one, but holy hell, like it's taken some muscle to really blend this stuff out, like everything gripping. Got the eyeshadow palette Nude Beginning, so we'll start with this. This really dark purple, I feel. All right, next I'm gonna go with this color here. Like, am I even getting my eye? But what I'm doing is I'm smoking out that dark purple with this color, and I'll tell you what it is after I take a peek, but to blend out. Okay, so those colors were subliminal, what is my problem? And cinnamon sticks. And so now, since I'm just trying to only use you know, the Shein Glam, I'm gonna go in with this, the lighter color that I put all over, but this time I'm really gonna pack it on so that I have this color here. And then I will blend it out so that I don't have that line going on, but really pack that in. Now, before I do my under eyes, I didn't put any of the concealer under there. Holy smokes, I really messed it up on the concealer. But you know what, we're gonna just keep moving forward. You never know, and it just might be fabulous. But one thing you should know, you cannot return any of the Shein makeup products, so just an FYI. All right, so now I'm gonna take that first deep color and mix it with the other one, and I'm just gonna put it here on the corners of my eye, coming together. I mean, we're gonna have to do something with all that white concealer. All right, I also got this little palette here, and it has highlights and bronzers in it, and it says a blush, but I don't know what one's supposed to be the blush. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and warm my skin up a little bit, because that was crazy. We're gonna use this as our blush. This is a really pretty color. I really like this color, actually. And since I'm so bronzed, I'm just going for it. We're gonna go for it. We're gonna just really go for it. I got this mascara. I thought this was really cool. It has one side with a curved brush, and then the other side has a really thick one. So we'll see. All right, so that blush, just so you know, from that French Girl palette was peach pink, and I'm a fan. I'm a fan of it. All right, I got this really cool powder I thought was super cool because on top, it's like a pressed powder, okay? But then you unscrew it, and below is a loose powder. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little baking under my eyes. Not that I really need to with this matte makeup, but I'm not gonna do my chin because I'm worried already that it is going to be the lightest part of my skin today. So, but I will get here. And then I'm just gonna powder. All right, we got Dune again, and I'm gonna go ahead and use the highlighter. Using, it doesn't have a name on this one. All right, I'm finished. This is the final look and my thoughts on the Shein Glam Cosmetics. I'm gonna be honest, looks way better on camera than it does in real life. But the things I do like about the Shein Glam is I really like the Nude Beginning Eye Palette. I think it's beautiful colors. I've had a palette before, and the colors last all day, easy to blend. They do fall out, there's a little fallout, but if you tap them and if you're careful, it's fine. The other thing I really liked was this palette here, the French Girl palette, the Stereo Face 6 French Girl, and that was the one with the cream colors. The bronzer and the blush, I would say those are winners. It's a really nice concealer, but I obviously got completely the wrong color, way too white, needed to get something a little bit better. And then I like this Insta Ready. I hope that helps, and have a great day.